Have you ever wondered why tablets have become more powerful than laptops? Today, we are bringing together two real titans, the iPad Pro on the M4 chip and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. These are not just devices for movies and notes. These are workstations, media centers, and creative tools. We'll see who's faster, more convenient, and really worth the money. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, because there is an honest comparison ahead without ads and fanaticism. Now let's get down to business. The iPad Pro M4 and Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra are two different approaches to the idea of the perfect tablet. Apple continues to develop its vision of a professional device, focusing on performance, ecosystem, and screen. Samsung is following the path of versatility, providing the user with everything from powerful hardware to the flexibility of Android and the proprietary DeX mode. Let's start with the design. The iPad Pro M4 has received a completely redesigned body, thinner, lighter, with minimal bezels and an incredibly durable aluminum construction. Feels premium, as always with Apple, and looks almost like a sheet of glass. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, in turn, retains its signature minimalism. A large 14.6-inch screen, thin bezels, and a metal body that feels solid, but slightly heavier. The iPad is more comfortable to hold with one hand, while the Tab S10 Ultra feels like a working tool, especially when paired with a keyboard. The screen is the heart of any tablet. The iPad Pro M4 received an Ultra Retina XDR OLED display with a frequency of 120 Hz. This is one of the best screens available today. The deep black color, incredible brightness, and color accuracy make it ideal for designers, photographers, and video editors. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra uses a Super AMOLED panel of the same level, with a frequency of 120 Hz, high brightness, and support for HDR10+. But he has a bigger diagonal, and for many this is a decisive advantage. If you're drawing or working with videos, then the extra screen space on your Galaxy might be more convenient. Now about performance. The iPad Pro M4 is equipped with the new Apple M4 chip, the same one used in professional laptops. It easily handles 4K video editing, 3D graphics, and any heavy tasks. The system works lightning fast, without lags, and it's a real computer in the form of a tablet. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra has received Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a top-end mobile processor adapted for performance and energy efficiency. It's powerful, but it still doesn't reach the M4 level, especially in graphics and rendering tasks. At the same time, Samsung compensates for everything with flexibility. It has a DeX mode that turns the tablet into a full-fledged computer with a windowed interface, keyboard, mouse, and multitasking support. It's a great solution for working with documents, a browser, and office tasks. The iPad also has support for external monitors and the file system, but iPadOS still limits the desktop experience. Everything is serious with accessories for both of them. Apple offers a new Pencil Pro, tilt-sensitive, with vibration response and accuracy close to a real pen. It's a pleasure to draw or edit photos with him. Samsung responds with the included S Pen. It has minimal latency, excellent ergonomics, and intuitive interface integration. But Samsung's main advantage is that the stylus is already included in the box, rather than being purchased separately. It's time for a little distraction. If you like the format of honest comparisons without fanaticism and advertising, subscribe to the channel and write in the comments which devices should be disassembled in the next issue. Your support helps to make these videos even better and more interesting. Now back to the topic. The sound of both models is excellent. The iPad Pro M4 delivers clear, balanced stereo sound with deep bottoms and crystal clear tops. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is also not far behind. 4 AKG speakers create a presence effect, especially when watching movies. The difference between them is minimal, but the iPad has slightly more volume and detail. Cameras. Yes, this is not a key parameter for a tablet, but both companies have tried their best. The iPad Pro has a 12-megapixel main camera and a front-facing camera with a center stage that tracks your face during video calls. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is equipped with a dual front-facing camera, which is ideal for video conferencing and content creators. Samsung is even ahead of the curve here, especially for those who work with video. Autonomy. The iPad Pro M4 can easily withstand 10 to 12 hours of active operation. Apple has optimized energy efficiency at the system level, and it's being felt. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra also holds steady, about 11 hours of video or surfing, but with active use of DeX and high brightness, the screen drains the battery faster. Operating systems are one of the key differences. iPadOS 18 is still the same reliable, smooth, and predictable system, perfectly integrated with iPhone and Mac. It's perfect for creativity, but it's a bit closed in the Apple ecosystem. One UI 7 based on Android in the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, on the contrary, gives you more freedom. You can install any applications, connect flash drives, and work with Windows and files just like on a PC. It all depends on what is closer to you, stability or flexibility. Price and target audience. The iPad Pro M4 is expensive, especially if you add a keyboard and pencil Pro. This device is for those who work with content, videos, graphics, and appreciate perfect synchronization with other Apple devices. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a more versatile solution, suitable for both work and entertainment. At a lower price, it provides more opportunities for customization and interaction with the Android world. Result: if you're a professional who cares about screen quality, power, and reliability, the iPad Pro M4 leaves no chance for competitors. If you want a versatile device with a large screen, an open system, and a great stylus included, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a great choice. These are two different worlds, and both are beautiful in their own way. Personally, my opinion is that I would choose the iPad Pro M4. It feels like a real tool for work, where every detail is thought out and perfectly balanced. But if versatility is more important to you and you don't want to get attached to the Apple ecosystem, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will give you the most for your money. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the following comparisons, and write in the comments who to put face to face next time.